What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how I make a rack of ribs on a Traeger grill. This is where all the magic happens. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let that smoke up for 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Alright, we're back and it's been 3 hours. Let's go take a look at these ribs. Okay, now I usually spray them every half hour to keep the bark moist. So it's fine. You don't need to. They'll become juicy again once you do the wrapping process. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take them out and set them up to get wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up to high. Take these little pieces and place them over here. Place that sucker over there. Ooh, I wish you guys can smell this. I wish I had smell-o-vision. Alright, so this is all wrapped up now. I'm gonna try to go ahead and do this with one hand and just flip it over. Ooh. And then let that steam up for another hour and a half.
1 eternity later.
Okay, for the sauce that I'll be using for today will be Sweet Baby Ray's hickory and brown sugar. This is not a paid sponsorship, but the flavor of their barbecue sauce is... So let's take a look at this. Okay, so now it's time to unwrap it and then finish grilling it. Ooh, you hear that sizzle? That's all the juiciness. Throw that out, burn it in the fire pit later. Oh man, I can feel how soft it is. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Some people like it really fall off the bone. I'm not that big of a fan of fall off the bone. I like it sticking together. Oh no, actually those are the two pieces that I put in there. But oh my goodness. I want to see if you guys can actually see the beautiful color in this. take the juices and pour it onto the ribs. That is just gonna. You can take the juices and pour it onto the ribs, because this is just gonna go in the garbage. So now, place these on the grill. Keep it on high still, and let it close up. Keep it on high temperature still up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let that finish with no barbecue saucing yet, and then I'm gonna open it up again and then lay some barbecue sauce on it for a couple minutes, then flip it, and then repeat on the other side of the ribs. And that should be it. That'll probably be like a total of 15 minutes of finishing, and then the ribs are ready to get pulled off the grill. Okay, so it's been around 5 minutes now. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the smoker and lay some barbecue sauce on. Go ahead and spread it. Close it. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to close your grill and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then you can go ahead and flip it and repeat the process. At this point, what I like to do, after I put barbecue sauce on both sides of it, I like to go ahead and turn off the smoker, because it takes about 15 minutes for it to fully burn off all the wood that's in the chamber. It still is burning heat, but you end up saving wood at the end of the day. All right, would you just look at how good these ribs look? They look amazing. Okay, as you can see, I not only do grilling during the summertime. It is currently 27 degrees outside, and I do this all year round. I definitely need to get myself an insulator. Traeger, if you're watching this, you want to review an insulator, let me know. I've been really wanting to get an insulator for my grill for these winter, for the winter season where it's really tough on grilling outdoors. Geez, my hands are freezing right now. If you like the content, please subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Please share the video if you liked it. It would do great for the growth of my channel. I hope this makes you want to go out there and grill some stuff yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and devour these ribs. Till next time, peace out, guys.